Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an SAT math question. This is question 8 from section 4, the calculator permitted math section, on the SAT that was administered in April of 2017. Right there, pause it, pause the video. Why not take a crack at the question yourself, and then you can unpause the video and watch the explanation. See how you did. Could be good, because we're getting in there. It reads, at a snack bar, each medium drink costs $1.85, and each large drink costs C more dollars than a medium drink. If 5 medium drinks and 5 large drinks cost a total of $20.50, what is the value of C? Damn, big drink order. Alright, well let's see what we already know about the price. We ordered 5 medium drinks, and each of those were $1.85, so let's do 5 times 1.85. You gotta do it in your head though. No! We live in an exciting time. Use your calculator. Turns out that's $9.25. And then you have these 5 large drinks. Well, the price of a large drink is $1.85 plus C, so 5 times 185 plus C. And this $9.25 plus the large drinks equals $20.50. Well, we already know what 5 times 185 is. It's another $9.25. So if we distribute this 5, we have $9.25 plus $9.25 plus 5C equals $20.50. Combine these two 925s, well, the calculator's already out. Use it. So then we have $18.50 plus 5C equals $20.50. Subtract $18.50 from both sides, and we have the 5C equals $2. The calculator train continues running. $2 divided by 5 equals 40 cents. So C equals 0.4. Or answer choice B. Kind of confusing that the letter itself was one of the answer choices. But we wanted B, because that's 2.00 divided by 5. Nice. As with any problem, we started with what we knew. We know how much a medium drink cost, and we got 5 of them, so we multiplied those two together, and then we knew some component of how much a large drink cost, so we multiplied that by 5 too, plus 5 of these C things, whatever those were, and then we solved it like any other algebraic equation, isolating for C. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel, or like the video, or, I don't know, tag your friends. I don't really know how this works. And if you have any questions about this problem or any others, you can hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.